2, 3, and... Okay. Hi, I'm Myra MacLeod with Blackstone Cuil. Here is our health tip of the day. I call it Inch Taller Day. One morning I noticed I was sinking under stress, literally. I decided then to launch my own personal anti-gravity campaign. Planting my heels into the pavement, I imagined I was a lump of clay on a potter's bench. I was being pulled up gently, unrestricted by an invisible force. When I looked around, I saw things differently, from a slightly higher vantage point. Intrigued, I carried this idea throughout the day, and I have used this action for decades whenever I need a lift. So, with this idea, I welcome you to try it anytime, anywhere, and pull yourself up. This health tip of the day is brought to you by Myra MacLeod, Johnny Guertin, and me. Take back your space and take back your health, America.